Delicious homemade Tres Leches Cake with strawberry and blueberry infusion. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel. Today, we have a treat for your taste buds. We'll be making a mouthwatering homemade Tres Leches Cake infused with the refreshing flavors of strawberry and blueberry. It's a perfect dessert for any occasion, and I promise you, it's going to be a crowd pleaser. So, let's started. For the Tres Leches Cake, 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoons baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 5 large eggs, separated, 1 cup granulated sugar, divided, 1/3 cup whole milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the 3 milks mixture, 1 can, 14 ounces, sweetened condensed milk, 1 can, 12 ounces, evaporated milk, 1 cup whole milk. For the strawberry and blueberry juice, 1 cup fresh strawberries, hulled and sliced, 1/2 cup fresh blueberries, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Preparation. Step 1. Preparing the Tres Leches Cake. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. In a bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In another bowl, beat the egg yolks with 3/4 cup of sugar until pale and fluffy. Add the milk and vanilla extract to the egg yolk mixture, and mix well. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. In a separate clean bowl, whip the egg whites until soft peaks form. Gradually add the remaining 1/4 cup of sugar and continue whipping until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the whipped egg whites into the batter until well combined. Pour the batter into the prepared baking pan and smooth the top. Bake for 25–30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Step 2. Making the 3 milks mixture. While our cake is baking, let's prepare the Tres Leches mixture that will make our cake incredibly moist. In a mixing bowl, combine the sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and whole milk. Whisk until well combined. Step 3. Preparing the strawberry and blueberry juice. Now, let's infuse our Tres Leches Cake with the vibrant flavors of strawberries and blueberries. In a blender, combine the fresh strawberries, blueberries, sugar, and lemon juice. Blend until smooth. Step 4. Assembling the cake. Our cake is out of the oven, and now it's time to bring it all together. Allow the cake to cool for a few minutes, then use a fork to poke holes all over the surface. Pour the 3 milks mixture evenly over the cake, allowing it to absorb. Spoon the strawberry and blueberry juice over the cake, spreading it evenly. And there you have it, our delicious homemade Tres Leches Cake with a burst of strawberry and blueberry goodness. Trust me, this cake is worth every indulgent bite. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our multi-recipes and COOKERIES channel for more tasty treats, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update.